Thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony. This is a dry build. I'm not gluing the unit. I'm just assembling it to get the rebate stop and start point. That's the side rebate, rabbit. Now I'm going to machine the top and bottom, and I'm going to stop it at either end where I'm marking it now with a pencil. So that'll be the cut there, what you can see. This is the overhead router. I'm cheating here. This is an end panel. I'm setting the cutter height and depth to the actual rabbit rebate on the end panel. I'm setting the length now. This is the front stop. This is to prevent me going too far forward. Now this one is the backstop. This is where I start from, and it also prevents kickback because I'm dropping in. Just securing these stops with screws. Right, I missed the beginning on this. Just checking it's alright. Just pulling that bit off because that runs on the fence, that'll hold it off. Just pulling the router head down to get the finished cut. Up to the backstop. That prevents kickback. And I'm dropping in now. And I'll continue up to the front stop, and I'll pull the actual work out. Just check it's alright. That looks okay. Yeah, that's alright, is that?